Alright, this is the Quideo 4, Chapter 9 to 11 Advanced question. So, in this question, we have to find if there is a significant difference in growth between the tomatoes with additives and the tomatoes without. So, to find any significant difference, we must use phantoms. So, starting off with phantoms, we have our P, or our parameter of interest, is the difference in plant growth from plants with the additives to the plants without the additives. For H, or our hypotheses, is our null hypothesis is the mu of the control is equal to the mu of the treatment. So there is no change if you add the additives or do not. And then our alternate hypothesis is the growth of the control is less than the mu of the treatment. So the treatment will grow more. So our assumptions are: the problem states the seeds were randomly chosen, so it is randomly selected. Our sample is less than 30 at 24 and 12. So we have to proceed with caution, knowing that the sample is less than 30, so it cannot be assumed to be normally distributed. For n, name the test. It is a t-test using matched pairs. So for our t-test, we need to use the formula x bar minus mu over our standard deviation still over our square root of n, which is negative 2.015 minus our mu of 0 for our hypothesis, divided by our standard deviation of 1.163, once again divided by the square root of 12, and that gets us a t-value of negative 6.0019. Using that, we can go to part O of phantoms, which is obtain the p-value, which you get a p-value of 0.00004451. Using that p-value, we can make a decision and reject the null hypothesis with a p-value of 0.00004451 with an alpha of 0.05. So our statement in context would be: we reject the null hypothesis that the difference in plant growth from plants with additives and without additives based on a p-value of 0.00004451, which is larger than an alpha of 0.05. And that is the advanced question.